Hello mates, welcome to Full Stack Java Developer. I'm Kiran Jadhav here. In this session, I will teach you here interview question, silk class in Java. This is very popularly asked interview question like what are the features added in Java 17? Then say this is the main feature added in Java 17 silk class. Then why we are using silk class? It means we are able to add some restrictions there for extending the class. For that perspective, we are using permits keyword there. Then we'll start with the implementation. You will get the more clarity. For that, I am going to use here banking example. Then see for implementation, I will propose to use editor as Eclipse. Here I am creating new Java class. The Java class name I am giving here. This is field class example. See our class is created successfully here. I am creating here main class. Now I am creating here class. You can simply say bank account. Then again I am creating next class name as you can simply say saving account. We have one more class name as we are giving as a current account. Then here bank account I am declaring as a field class. See, then once we are giving here field class, then definitely we are giving here permits. See, I am giving here permits, like you can simply say this is saving account comma separated we are giving here current account. Then once we are giving here permits, saving account comma separate current account, it means only those two classes able to extend the bank account. Then I am using here extends. This is you can simply say bank account, and here also I am using extends bank account. And now it giving the compilation problem. Then here you can simply declare those classes as a final keyword. Otherwise you can simply declare as a non-seal. I am just declaring those as a final classes you can simply say. See, once we are declaring here final, then there is no any compilation problem. It means you can simply consider once we are using seed class, then whatever class we have permitted there, right? Only those like saving account and current account. Here we are able to extend the bank account. This is the restriction here. That's why this is the feature added in Java 17. You can simply say like as per solid principle and some security reasons, seed classes added in Java 17. Then now you can simply consider, suppose I want to create the one more class name as loan account. And here, if I am going to extend bank account, then definitely it will give me compile time problem. Why compile time problem? Because I need to add this loan account here as a permits. Then and then we are able to use. And one more thing, here also you need to declare the keyword as final. Then see one screen. Here I am giving keyword as final and comma separated I am giving here loan account. Then there is no any issue, right? It means once you are declaring field class here, then only permitted classes they are able to extend this bank account here. Fine. Then I will delete it because anyway we don't require this loan account here at all. Perfect. Then now I am adding some implementation here. For that perspective, I am adding the method void. You can simply say payment process. See, payment process is a method, and here I am giving the like you can simply say payment type. String type I am giving, and double I am giving here amount. You can simply say like we are passing here two fields. One is you can simply say string type of payment type here, and double it means whatever amount you are trying to transfer, right? Yes. Then here I want to override this method. For that perspective, you can use control space, and here we have option available override the payment process method. Then see, override it means whatever replica in parent, which is the parent bank account here parent, right? It means this is the method. Same method we have used here, like same method name and same parameter. That's called override concept here. It means we are achieving here polymorphism. Like you can simply say runtime polymorphism we are achieving here. Then now I want to print here, that's why I'm using printing statement here. And then you can simply say this is which account, this is saving account. I'm giving here this is saving account. I'm using slash n as well because once we are using slash n it will add the new line. And here I'm giving type of payment, and here you can simply say amount. we are using colon separated. Same method I want to override in current account as well. For that perspective, again I am using control space, and here is payment process, and we are just trying to use the printing statement by using system.out.println. We are trying to print it, right? Yes. This is, you can simply say slash n. Again I am giving this is current account, and here type of payment we are giving, either it will be NEFT or IMPS, and colon separated we are giving here amount as well. Now I am adding here colon as well. Control A, Control I, Control Shift F, it will format the code base. And always in front of interviewer, try to format the code base as well. Perfect. Then see, here as per our business requirement, we have created this silk class as bank account, and it permits saving account and current account. In short, you can simply say, once we are giving permits saving account and current account, it means only those two classes able to extend the bank account. This is like main feature of our seed class. It means restrictions, right? Only those classes permitted to extend our bank account here, right? Yes. Then now coming to main class main method, and here I am creating the object of, you can simply say, saving account first. For that perspective, I am giving the object here saving account equal to new bank account. Sorry, here we are giving new saving account, not the bank account, because saving account is our child class, right? Because child goes to extending the property from parent, it means bank account. Then now I am just going to call here saving account dot our method name as payment process. Then type of payment I am just passing here IMPS, and here you can simply say this is the amount I am passing here 2,50,000.99. And the next, again we are giving here bank account. Here you can simply say current account equal to new current account. We are creating the object of our, you can simply say, child class only. Okay. Then now I want to add here current account dot payment process. This is the payment process I am giving here NEFT, and the amount I am just going to pass the amount as 5,50,000.99. Control A, Control I, Control Shift F, it will format the code base. Then our code is ready to run this application. Simply to run as Java application. See, here you are able to see saving account type of payment is IMPS, and the amount is 2,50,000 here, right? The current account type of payment is NEFT, and this is the 5,50,000 amount available there. Then seed class, in short, you can simply say, like once we are giving seed class here bank account, it permits like saving account and current account. It means only those classes able to extend the bank account, and this is the practical scenario we handle here, right? We handle, this is the practical scenario. And here once we declare the class as final, then definitely you are already aware of that, right? Because final class we can't extend, we can't modify here, right? And instead of final, if you want to declare here non-sealed, that also possible. You can simply say this is the non-sealed. See, here also I am able to declare as a non-sealed, that also possible here. Okay, then instead of doing non-sealed, I will do the final itself. But in terms of perspective, I am teaching here instead of final, if you are adding non-sealed, that also fine. Now this code is working as expected once we are trying to run a Java application, but I want to achieve here one more oops pillar here, like abstraction in Java. For that perspective, what I will do, I will add like this class as a, you can simply say abstract, because here we are adding payment process, but we are not implementing anything here, right? This is the implementation, but here we are not implementing anything. That's why what I will do, I will make this method as a abstract method. Then once you are trying to create the abstract method, then this is only declaration ending with semicolon. Then this class we are declaring as a abstract class. Then now you can simply say we have declared this class as a abstract seed class. And once we are declaring any class as abstract, it supports abstract as well as non-abstract method. If I am declaring this method, then this is the non-abstract method. But if I am adding ending with semicolon, then definitely this is the abstract method, right? In abstract method, you need to declare with the keyword as abstract. Then there is no any issue. Then see, here we have achieved the abstraction. Abstraction means hiding internal details and showing functionality. Hiding internal details and showing functionality. It means we have hiding here like internal implementation here, right? Yes. And here we have implemented those methods, payment process method. It means you can simply say this is the abstract class. We have declared the abstract method ending with semicolon, only declaration. And in our implementation classes, right, there is we have done with the implementation here. This is the implementation here. It means we have achieved here two concepts. You can simply say first one is abstraction and the second one is polymorphism. It means runtime polymorphism, method override concept. Then here we handle like you can simply say abstraction as well as even we handle here polymorphism concepts. It means you can simply say runtime polymorphism method override concept, and additionally we handle here inheritance as well, like extending the property. It means child class goes to acquire the property from parent. It means we handle here three pillars of oops: abstraction, then you can simply say polymorphism, like method override. It means runtime polymorphism you can simply say, and the third you can simply say we are extending the property. It means we handle here inheritance as well. Then such a way like we have done with the implementation. Then one more time I want to say like what is silk class. Silk class, it means we are adding restrictions. It means only those permitted classes able to extend our silk class here. Then here permits of our saving account and current account, only those classes like able to extend the bank account here. See, current account also able to extend bank account. And if I am declaring suppose class here, you can simply say loan account. And if I am trying to extend our bank account, it will give me compile time problem. If I am declaring this class as final, then also there is problem. If you want to resolve this problem, then definitely you need to add here colon comma separated. You can simply say this is the loan account, then and then there is no issue. Now here is giving the compilation problem because whatever abstract method there in bank account you must not to override here as well. See, now there is no issue, right? Now I will go to the implementation part here, like printing statement. You can simply say here I'm giving this is slash n loan account, type of payment here we are giving, and again we are passing amount as well. Then whenever we are coming down here, then I'm just giving this is you can simply say bank account. This is loan account equal to new loan account. And now I'm adding loan account dot you can simply say payment process. And this is the type of payment I'm giving. This is the EMI payment. This is just like we are adding as an example here, okay? And EMI I'm giving here this is 97,000.99. Control A, Control I, Control Shift F, it will format the code base. And if you are going to observe your bank account, this is the silk class, but we have declared as abstract. In abstract class, we are not able to create the object. We are creating the object of our those classes: saving account, current account, and loan account. See, those all are the classes here, right? Yes. And then once we are coming back to here, if I'm trying to run a Java application, it will print the output what we are expecting. Like saving account, the payment type is IMPS, the current account payment type is NFT, the loan account payment type is EMI, and the corresponding amount also available there. Then see, I will upload this code on GitHub, and GitHub URL I am sharing in our YouTube video description box. Then if you are facing any difficulties, feel free to add your comment in comment box as well. And now we'll come up with some theory part. See, in this example, like we have available silk class, bank account, permit, saving account, and current account. And additionally, we have added the one more now loan account as well, right? Like it defines which classes can extend it instead of compile time control. If you're adding any additional class, it will give the compile time problem there. Then here only like saving account, then you can simply say we have available current account and one more account we have created as a loan account are allows to extend the bank account. This is like many benefits of our silk class here. Then see, silk classes in Java allows developer to explicitly control which class can extend a superclass, ensuring better code security, consistency, and maintainability. This is the answer you need to tell in front of interviewer. Like silk classes in Java allows developer to explicitly control which classes can extend a superclass, ensuring better code security, consistency, and maintainability. Then at the end, conclusion is like here we follow all the Java 17 classes rule. Here you can simply say like those are the rules. If you are going to declare a C class, then definitely we are using permits keyword, and only those permitted classes able to extend our C class. It means permitted classes we have three classes: saving account, current account, and loan account. Only those classes you can simply say like extend the bank account. This is the rule. And the classes you need to declare either final, otherwise you can simply say non-seal. See, this such a way like you can simply declare the non-seal. Then also it will print the output. See one screen. Then also it will goes to print the output, right? Either you can declare the final, otherwise non-sealed. But you know the final keyword in Java, right? Once you are declaring any class as final, can't extends. Then now I'm just declaring the final instead of declaring the non-sealed. But if you want to declare non-sealed, that also fine here. Then see on screen, it will print the output here. The next, here I demonstrate the concept abstraction, polymorphism, and one more you can simply say inheritance as well. Abstraction means like here you can simply say hide the internal implementation, like method body we haven't implemented here. We have just declared the method ending with semicolon. This is abstract. It means this is the abstraction we have achieved. Next we have achieved the polymorphism. Polymorphism it means you can simply say here we are using override concept, right? Method override it means whatever replica in parent, same replica we are adding in child classes, right? That's called override, and this is runtime polymorphism. For runtime polymorphism, we require the inheritance concept, it means extends keyword. The next, we have achieved here inheritance as well. Then here you can simply say this is the extends keyword. Inheritance it means child goes to acquire the property from parent by using extends keyword. And this is very like clean and real world banking example I demonstrated. But till if you have any questions with the suite classes in Java, then feel free to add your comment in comment box. And the same example you can go ahead with your interview, your like this will be good impression in front of interviewer, and you will be able to crack your interview easily. And this is for experience level as well, not only freshers. You can add the same example for experience level as well. Then stay tuned with the Full Stack Java Developer YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe the channel to get more updates, and see you in next video.